Welcome to Outline class. And then in this class, the 3D composition, how to build the 3D composition with the 3D shapes, I will explain that. So you will get the number of questions for the NOTA and then NIFT. So especially NOTA, they will question like this, use the 3D shapes and then one cone and the two cubes and two cylinders and then balance. So show the interesting 3D compositions, such kind of the questions you will get. So now how to compose the 3D compositions, that I will explain it first so that you check. So what I am going to say this here, the stability is important. So what is the stability, and then here and there what kind of the mistakes the commonly will come, that I will explain it. So here cube I am taking. So the cube, then other cube on this sphere. Okay, so then I will take the cone. Then here also I want to place the sphere. So this one is completely wrong. Why? Because the sphere can't stable on the pointed cone. Okay, so that is why wrong. You can't place. You can place here like this. Why? Because it's a such a free space is there on the cube, so you can place it, or you can place here the sphere. So the sphere, and then you have to take care of that where to place that. It should not fall here and there. Stability in the sense, if you keep there real object, it has to be stable, right? Okay, so then here it is not possible. And then one more thing, here I am taking the cylinder. So this is the cylinder, and then one more here I will take other one, the cuboid. I will take cuboid. Okay, and then here what I mean to say this, I will erase the cuboid line. Okay, cuboid line I'm erasing. I'm taking this the cylinder, and then like this way I'm composing. Okay, but the cuboid line has come down. Then one more, the sphere cone or something else I was taken. Okay, so then one more thing I placed here behind this thing. Okay, so whether it is right or wrong, how to check this? See, you need to observe that the basic structure. So this one is the cylinder 3D form, and this one is the structure for the base thing for the cuboid. Okay, so for the ground, for example, on the table I placed them. Okay, so this one is the table surface. I place the things. So then for this, the cylinder surface as bottom has touched the ground, so this is the parallel. Then how come the cuboid at the down? So this place is showing here and this one is here, right? So this one is wrong. The stability is compulsory, you need to take care of them. So what I mean to say that, so this one is completely wrong. See how to correct, in which way if I make this one will come correct. So let's see this. I'm erasing cylinder form line. Okay, so then here, right, so the cuboid line I'm taking front. Cuboid line I'm taking into the front. So now this is the cuboid, and cylinder went back of the cuboid. So then this is right. Okay, so the cuboid is placed here, and then that surface is placed here, so bottom will be here, behind that cylinder form is there, so then it is right. So these are common mistakes, so should not repeat, and then take care of them. So you need to develop by checking like this: placement, and then stability, and then sizes you need to take care of. Once you got this one, the shading part, if the light is from this direction, how it will fall the shade, and then how the shadow will fall. So this all in the shading video I will give you. So now how to frame the 3D compositions, you need to just observe and then practice. Say for example, this one is the paper. So this one is the paper. Here one sketch I am giving. So here I am taking the cylinder, and then here I will take cube. So one cube I will take here. Then here sphere I am taking, and then behind this I am taking the cone. Okay. So whether it is right or wrong, how to cross check, you can go with this by giving 3D shape. By giving 3D shape, so you can check that whether correct or wrong. So here this is suspense of the sphere, so it can be here or it can be till the bottom, so doesn't matter. So why? Because so this one is, you need to show like this way. So this one is hiding of the cube, so that's a leave off. So only the outline you need to take. So now I am giving this one, you see, only we can see the cylinder form, then here cube, then sphere, then behind this cone. This much only you can see, right? So then at the back you need to give one line. That one is baseline in the sense, on the table I place the things. In that way you need to understand. Okay, so I got the light source here and there and whatever that you. So before that you need to practice like this. And the one more thing I will explain that. So this is the paper. So here one cylinder I was taken. Okay, then other one more cylinder I'm taking, and then one more cylinder I'm taking. Okay, and then on this cone I'm placing cone. Okay, so in this way also you can work. So here I will give this clear sketch. So this one is visible like this. This one is the cone, and then this part will come into this, and this part will come into this. Only you need to show this outline. I'm giving here outline. So whether it is right or wrong, how to check in the sense? So the 3D form you need to check into this. So while placing like this kind of the point has to be middle of the cylinder. So you can't place like this. For example, one cylinder is here, the other cylinder is here, and then other one, if you take here, that one is, what will happen? This thing will come in it has not placed at the center of the other cylinder. Okay, so it can't place. That is why the point has to be in the center of the surface, which one you are showing, the behind one, this based one. Okay, so right, so now you understood this. Then other sketch I will give you on the top of that, how to show balanced on that. So here take the border for the paper, and then when you are working, use the full paper, the A4 sheet, use it and then work. Okay, so then you will get very good practice on this. And then here the number of objects, you can place them. For example, here one cube you take. Cube is the first you can take into this, then extend, and then you can take the cube. Okay, so I'm going to say the side by side. One more I want to show, that means the parallel to this. Okay, parallel to like this, and this way and this way and this way. You need to check whether they are right or wrong. That one also you need to take care of that. Then after this I placed here behind one cuboid. I want to show cuboid like this. So this one lines you need to take care of them, and then on this top of this on the top of this one more cube or cuboid I can place. Cuboid I'm taking one cuboid, so this one is the one cuboid. Okay, so 3D form, if you take that, it will come into this. The cross check you can do that. Then other one one lightly the reduced height of the cuboid I'm taking, and then one sphere I will take. And then here I can place one cone I can place. Then still anywhere the place is there, gap is there, if you like to show that, then it's look interesting, there you can add the one more sphere you can add here, then it's look interesting one. And then here you can keep one cylinder form, such a long one, length one, you can show the cylinder form. Okay, right? So in this way you need to develop the 3D composition. I will give the final sketch for this. Have a look. This one is the outline to understand that I'm giving. And then here this the cone, and then next this, and next here the sphere. So this much only you can see here, so that much only you need to show. So the other one, there's not behind one's lines, we can't see them. And then here the line, and then here the sphere, and then here one more cuboid, right. So now you check this. So this way you need to develop the compositions. And then after that, once if you develop this one, if you work out this, if you are perfect in this, then shading part will be easy. And then have you like it this, and then share it and subscribe it, and thank you.